Hello everyone, this is Miss Wong. I'll be doing the tutorial of how to sync grades from Canvas to Skyward. So I know a lot of upper grade students will be using Canvas to do a lot of assignments and quizzes, and I know the district is really pushing us to use Canvas. So I think it would be great if we are using Canvas and that will automatically sync to Skyward, which I feel like it would encourage a lot of our teachers to use Canvas more. So I'll be showing you how to do that. So I'm on my Launchpad right now. I'll be going to Canvas. This is Canvas OCPS. When I open my Canvas, I do have a lot of courses on my list. Now, first 6 should be the one that district has assigned to you for this current year for you. So I have alternative PE, health, language arts, social studies, science, math, which should be matching what's on your schedule on your Skyward. I'm going to go to my language art course, which is the third one on mine. I don't know what it looks like on yours. I already published my class. If you look over here, and it says, welcome to Miss Wong's third grade class. Obviously Starbucks, because I love Starbucks, for those of you who know me. Now, I'm going to go under assignments right on the third one right here. Now, when you go there, this is called group. So under assignment, I have nothing on there because I haven't assigned anything. But if you are to remember what we talked about during the categories for the grade book, we had 8 different categories, if you remember. We have classwork, formative, summative, homework, and what else? Participation, lab, quiz, and test. I'm assuming that we will be doing a lot of classwork, quiz, and test on Canvas, and then that will if we sync the grade, that will automatically transfer to Skyward, which will be great for our teachers. So I will be adding those 3 categories under here, which we call it group on Canvas. So on top, where you click group, I'm going to add classwork. Oops. Make sure it exactly matches what's on Skyward. So category 1, I'm going to put classwork. Second group, which is second category, I will be putting quiz. Third category, I'll be putting test. Now, if it confuses you, I know assignment is already there. I can erase it. So I'm going to click on this 3 dot and I'll be deleting what's already created for me because I don't want that to confuse me. So right now I have 3 categories right there: classwork, quiz, and test. Now, let's say I will be adding an assignment under classwork. I will be click on the plus sign under classwork. So there are different options. You can do assignment, discussion, quiz, external tool, or not graded. I'm going to say assignment, and I'm going to call it classwork 1. Now, what you put as a name is what's going to show up on the Skyward as the assignment name. So we talked about it. Please be specific because parents will be looking for different assignment names, and we don't want to name it classwork 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Due date, I will be doing it as 21st. I'm going to make this as 5-point classwork. Sync to Skyward EA Plus is what you should be clicking on. After that, I'll be clicking Save. Once I save it, it's right there. Now, I haven't published yet because I haven't done anything with it. So once I click it, I'm going to click on Edit. This is where you can play around. You're going to put different, you're going to ask students what to do, and they will be doing the assignment. You can do submission type, online, no submission, group, on paper, external tool. You can make it as group assignment and things like that. Once I am done editing, I'm going to down here click on save and publish. And then I will be going back to my assignment. Now this is green because I have published my assignment. Let's say I want to do a quiz. I'm going to go to quiz. Next to it there's a plus button. That's where I'm going to add my quiz. I'm going to call it quiz 1. Again, this is what the parents will see as the assignment name, so please be specific about it. I'm going to make it as due date on 22nd. I'm not going to put points yet because points will be different by how many questions I'm putting it on. So I'm going to save it. Make sure you click on Sync to Skyward EA. And I'm going to click on it to edit. This quiz is unpublished because I haven't published yet. So I'm here. This is where you put your direction. Questions is where you go put your questions. Let's say I'm going to put a new question, multiple choice. What is 1 plus 1? And correct answer. 0, 1, 2, 3. And I'll put correct answer. Let me put 2, and then update question. Now let's say I did 1 point question. You can do the show detail by doing that, and I will be saving and publishing this quiz. Now this is a 1 point quiz, and now notice how when I go back to my home page, my gray assignment and quiz became darker because why? I actually have something in my assignment now, or quiz tab. That's why it became dark. So I'm going to go under grades to input the grade. Now, classwork, you have to put the grade in like how we do for other assignments, but quizzes, obviously when students take the quiz, it will automatically grade, so I don't have to actually input the grade, but today I will because none of my students have taken my quiz. So to input the grade, I'm under grade. I'm going to click on this tab, and I'm going to randomly give my grade. Now you can go up and down by the arrow button on the side. I'll be giving random grades. Now for quiz, I can do, again, click on it. It's either 1 or 0. So let's say I'm gonna put, now this is what I have. So I have these grades that I want to transfer over to Skyward. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be right here under actions. I will be clicking on it, and I will be clicking on to sync to Skyward EA+. When I click on it, I do have 2 assignments that I want to sync the grade in, and all sections I will be doing Language Art Grade 3. Make sure you're choosing the course instead of leaving it as all sections. Click on the course. You are going to click on Post Grades. It says it's scheduled. I'm going to go to click to see progress. When I get there, it will tell me something's completed, not yet. Once you refresh it, it will say completed. When it is completed, I'm going to go back to my Launchpad. I go down, I go to my Skyward production. When I get there, I'm going to go to my Teacher Access, my grade book. Remember, I did the Language Art course, so I'm going to choose one of my Language Art course. When I get there, you notice how my Classwork 1 and Quiz 1 is right there. All the grades has been transferred over here, and everything is graded. You don't have to change anything. It's great. I feel like this feature is really great, and I hope this encourages a lot of us to use Canvas more. So that's why I wanted to do the tutorial on it, because I know 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade will be using this a lot. So again, you're going to be making sure that you have the categories that are correct, which is classwork, quiz, and test. You're creating your assignments. After you do this, you're grading. You are going to click on Actions, sync to Skyward EA, and you're choosing the grades that you want it to be transferred, and you're posting the grades, and bam, you can see it right there. So hope this is helpful for you guys, and please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.